A. Ayun. So if limit exists at A, so the function is differentiable. No? So ayun yung first requirement para maging differentiable yung function. Dapat limit exists. Then if a function f is differentiable at x sub 1, then f is continuous at x sub 1. But the reverse is not always true. Okay. So sabi dito sa definition, no? Differentiable ang function at x if the function is continuous at x. No? So ibig sabihin, kung makuha mo derivative ng function kung continuous. Pero sabi niya, but the reverse is not always true. So, ibig sabihin nun, hindi lahat ng continuous function is differentiable. No? So, yun po. Tandaan po yan. Hindi porket continuous, ang function at x is differentiable na siya at x. No? So, parang pwede natin sabihin, a differentiable function is a continuous function. No? But, pwede natin sabihin na all differentiable functions are continuous function. But not all continuous functions, no, are differentiable functions. No? So, hindi lahat ng continuous differentiable. No? So, hindi lahat merong derivative. No? So, ano yung three cases, no, na hindi differentiable ang isang continuous function? So, ito yun. No? So, a function can fail to be differentiable at a number c for one of the following reasons. No? So, two cases lang pala. No? So, una, f is discontinuous at c. No? So, pag hindi continuous, no, at a specific value, no, so the function is not differentiable. No? Discontinuous nga. Diba sabi sa definition, a differentiable function is continuous. No? So, dito, so, hindi na. No? Hindi na siya differentiable. Then, two, so if f is continuous at c and the graph of f has a vertical tangent line at the point where x equal to c. So, yun. So dito, meron kang vertical, no, tangent line. Although continuous siya, walang break, no, or walang gap, pero pag naggawa ka ng tangent line, no, and nagkaroon ng vertical tangent line, so that is not differentiable. Although continuous, no, pero hindi siya differentiable. No, kasi pag kinuha mo, no, yung slope ng tangent line dyan, so the denominator is 0. Kasi yung delta x mo, 0. No, di ba? For vertical line. So kung merong vertical tangent doon sa point, no, so hindi differentiable yung function. The last, no, f is continuous at c, but the graph of f has no tangent line at the point where x equal to c. No? So kung walang tangent line, no, so that is not differentiable. No? So halimbawa ito, no, continuous siya, pero wala siyang tangent line. No? So that is not a differentiable function. So, yun. Then notations for derivatives. No? So ito yung makalimitang ginagamit. No? So una, so Leibniz notation. No? So ito dy over dx. No? So ito yung paborito kong gamitin. No? dy over dx or derivative of y with respect to x. So Leibniz notation. So ito yung gagamitin natin. No? Kasi sa integral, Leibniz notation. Sa differential equation, malimitan, Leibniz notation ang ginagamit. Then, yung pag may prime, no? So that is Lagrange notation. So, then ito, dy, derivative of y with respect to x. So, pag nakakita ko yun ganyan. So that is Euler's notation. Then last, no? Isaac Newton. So, y dot, no? So, ibig sabihin yan, first derivative. No? Okay. So, ito, nakikita to sa ano eh. kalimitan ginagamit ng y dot sa differential equation saka sa vibration engineering. No? Kung meron kayo nun. Y dot. Ito ginamit to ng teacher ko nung sa masters Y dot. So, in-express niya yung Newton's second law of motion, di ba? F is equal to ma in differential equations. So, gumamit siya ng y dot. Okay. So, nagulat mga klase ko, ano yun? What is y dot? Okay. Kasi hindi siya malimit ginagamit. Okay. So, ginagamit siya more on sa mechanics. So, like that. So, dito tayo, no? Sa dalawang to. So, pwedeng Leibniz or pwedeng Lagrange notation. Pero kalimitan nga, or ang favorite ko, so dy over dx. So, kayo na bahala, no? So, kung wala namang sinabi, so you can use any of the two, Leibniz or Lagrange. Pero pag may sinabing sa instruction, so use Leibniz notation. So, Leibniz notation. Pag sinabing Lagrange notation ang gagamitin. Then, no, the process of finding the derivative of a function, no, is called differentiation, no, and can be made simple by following four-step process. Okay. The process of finding the derivative, so that is differentiation. No. So, differentiation, so 4 steps lang. No? Or yung iba tinatawag dyan, 4-step rule. Yung iba, ibang books, 3-step rule. No? So, ang malaga naman, no, masunod natin yung steps. So, step number 1, no? So, starting from y is equal to f of x, change y to y plus delta y. No? And x to x plus delta x. Then step 2, subtract y from both sides of the equation to find delta y. Then step 3, divide by delta x to form difference quotient and simplify. Then 4, take the limit as delta x approaches 0. So replacing the left side with dy over dx for f prime. And applying limit theorems on the right side. Then finally, simplify. Okay. So ayan, no? Yung 4 simple step, no? Para makuha yung derivative ng function. Okay. So sa lahat ng examples natin, no? So ma-consider natin siya as differentiable functions, no? So lahat continuous and differentiable. No? So no need na to know, no, kung continuous ba or hindi yung function. So una, no? So find the derivative of the function using the definition, no, or by 4-step rule. So y is equal to 4x squared minus 5. So kunin natin derivative or first derivative. Okay. So una, no, change y to y plus delta y. So y plus delta y. So equal to 4 times change x to x plus delta x squared minus 5. Ano step 2? Step 2, delay ba? Delay?
Hindi naman po, sir. Binalik niyo lang po ata yung slide.
So, hindi. No? So, then, subtract y, no, to both sides. So, we have delta y is equal to 4 times x plus delta x squared minus 5 minus y. Anong next? Divide both sides by delta x. No? Then, simplify. No? So, we have 4 times, what is x plus delta x squared? X plus delta x squared. So, that is x plus delta x times x plus delta x. Ano po? So that is x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 5 minus, ano yung y natin? Ano yung y? So, balik ka dun sa given. Y is equal to 4x squared minus 5. So that is 1, that's minus minus 4x squared minus 5 over delta x. So sabi, no? Divide by delta x to form difference quotient and simplify. No? So tawag dyan, no? Difference quotient. No? So delta y over delta x, so that is difference quotient. No? Simplify. So distribute, so 4x squared plus 4 times 2x delta x, so that is 8x delta x plus 4 times delta x squared. So 4 times delta x squared minus 5, then minus 4x squared, then negative times negative 5, so that is positive 5 over delta x. So may maka-cancel. So 4x squared minus 4x squared, 0. Negative 5 plus 5, 0. Anong next? So next is take the limit. Step 4. Take the limit as delta x approaches 0. And replacing the left side with dy over dx. So, palitan daw natin yung delta x, delta y over delta x by dy over dx. So, equal to, so kunin yung limit of 8x delta x plus 4 times delta x squared over delta x as delta x approaches 0. So, masasubstitute ba natin agad? Substitute agad natin? Delta x equal to 0?
Hindi po.
So, hindi. No? Kasi magsi-0 sa denominator. So, simplify muna natin yung function. So, limit of, so factor out delta x. So, that is 8x plus 4 times delta x over delta x as delta x approaches 0. So, cancel delta x. Then, substitute. So, 8x plus 4 times 0. So, derivative of y with respect to x. So, that is equal to 8x. So, ganun. So, that is the derivative of the function. So, that is using four-step rule. Another example. Y is equal to square root of x minus 2. So, ano po? So, una, first step. So, change y to y plus delta y. So, equal to square root of change x to x plus delta x minus 2. Anong next? Subtract y to both sides. So, delta y is equal to square root of x plus delta x minus 2 minus y. Then, divide both sides by delta x. Then we have square root of x plus delta x